Okay guys, so today I'll be making hot dog 3 ways. Got 2 kids and myself, and figure we're gonna eat some hot dogs. So my son, he wants boiled hot dogs. Simple. Throw them in the pot, water, hot dogs, let them boil away. My daughter, she wants some fried hot dogs, but she doesn't want anything in there but the hot dogs. So this pot, I'm heating it up. I'm gonna add some vegetable oil, what we have. You can use whatever oil you have, vegetable, olive oil. Because I'm gonna also use this oil to do my hot dogs. It's more for sauteed hot dogs with some onion and stuff in there for just more of a hearty meal. See, let that heat up a little bit. I'm gonna put a lid on this pot so that it can boil a little bit faster. Okay guys, so I have a new setup here. I just switch burners real quick. Put the hot dogs on the front, and so I can be closer to this pot. So for hers, all she wants is fried hot dogs, and then cut them on a slant. Just gonna fry until they brown a little bit on each side. While hers is frying, here's my setup. I just got some onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, and a little thyme. And I cut my hot dogs in little circles, I guess. So, okay, hers are done. Now, this is all she wants: hot dogs and ketchup. Hot dogs and ketchup. You can eat it with anything you like. There you go. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna take my veggies, gonna saute them. Turn it up a little bit more. Same oil I just fried hers in. Careful, it's hot. You want some crackers with that? Want some bread?
Enough bread is enough.
Hmm?
Enough bread is enough.
Okay. I think I want some garlic in there, so I'm going to get some garlic. Sauteing this. And let soften up those onions and bell peppers. See what it looks like so far. Go for another minute or so, and I'm going to add my onion. I'm going to add my hot dogs. So in here I just have onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, thyme, and garlic. Let those saute and bring out the scent. Goodness of those veggies. And I'm going to add my hot dog. And this I just have 2 hot dogs cut up. It's a good way to stretch your hot dog. You only have 2, but you have to feed both of 2 people, 3 people, just depends. You know, each get a sandwich out of this. Okay, to that I'm going to add some black pepper. I add ginger to almost everything just to settle stomach it just a little. Then I'm also going to add a little Mrs. Dash. Just Mrs. Dash. Just a little. And some ketchup. Gonna add color and clear sauce. Then I'm gonna add a little water to make a little gravy. A little bit more water because I really like the gravy. And I'm also gonna add a little hot sauce for a little heat. It's optional. You put in whatever you like. I'll come around and show you what this looks like so far. We got this delicious, this smells amazing. Now I'm going to cover that and let it simmer for a little bit. Okay, so here's my son's plate. He just wanted his cut up with ketchup. I went ahead and made some plantains, and he wanted some like crackers. They're soft, buttery crackers. Okay, so for the final reveal, there you go. Nice sauteed hot dogs. I went ahead and made some plantains, and I have here some Italian bread with a little smear of butter, because that's how I like it. And I got my NRG cup with some juice.
About to do a taste testing?
Yeah?
Yep, I'm about to do a taste testing.
All right.
Tastes good. Like the sauce on the hot dog. Like the bread. And the butter.
All right, guys. There you have it. Thank you for watching.